A real winner is one who is able to win over his or her battles and difficulties in life and turns them into a learning and glorifying experience. Find meaning in pleasant and unpleasant events in his life. Live in peace with difficult people and difficult situations. Win the goodwill of others, their respect and admiration. Get what he wants using win-win strategies, never at the expense of others. Discover and use opportunities to his best advantage. Develop and use his talents and abilities to the best advantage, and in so doing, make meaningful contribution in making this world a better place to live in. That is a real winner. Are you a real winner, guys?